Now we're making our Turkish dessert called halka. We're starting out with some eggs. Making a double recipe, so we're going to add 2/3 of a cup of yogurt, and we're spoiled because the ladies brought in homemade yogurt for us today. But you can use regular yogurt. We also have semolina here. We're adding our oil. This looks like corn oil. Mazola. Again, 2/3 of a cup. Adding our milk. Also 2/3 of a cup because we've doubled the recipe. 2 cups of semolina to this. And now we're adding our flour.
Şuraya koydum.
And baking soda, baking powder.
Baking powder.
Yes.
Add some baking powder. And whisk it together.
Biraz katı mı oldu? Yoksa böyle mi?
It's important to check the consistency of your batter. You don't want it too runny, and that's what we're testing right now, and that's just about right. You don't want it too runny, and you don't want it too thick. You want just the right consistency for your pastry. Our dessert, so we're getting our oil ready, and we've got about more than an inch of oil in the pot. Pour your batter into a pastry tube.
İçine koy.
Ben de çevireyim dedim de
Şey olunca o zaman da laf da yaparsa diye.
korktum.
Bir tane daha koy.
Fill a pastry tube with your batter.
Elinizde şu kenarının içine doğru.
Usual, the oil should be cold when you put the batter into the pan. That's totally opposite of what we would usually do or think of doing. Now our desserts are finally frying up. You can see they're getting golden, and it's interesting, we started out with cold oil or warm oil and let it get up to a frying temperature. Quite unlike making a Mexican churro. And when they're done, you remove them from the oil and you immediately immerse them in the simple syrup. Okay, now we're removing our fried pastries, and we're placing them immediately, we're immersing them in simple syrup, which will be absorbed by the pastries. They go right from the frying pan into the simple syrup.
Mesajı aldım demek ki. Deminden beri hep aynı.